Today, I'll show you how to fix no audio device installed Windows 11 problem. Let's start. First solution is to uninstall and reinstall our audio device. To download the correct audio device, we need to know our system model. To find this out, go to the search bar and open System Information. After opening System Information, we check the system model from the System Model section. After doing this, we open our browser and type our system model along with the manufacturer in the search bar. After opening our system manufacturer's website, what we need to do is download the audio driver. The download process may vary from manufacturer to manufacturer, so the steps you take might be different. For example, I had to select Windows 10 as the operating system, but this might not be the case for you. Click Download and download the driver. After downloading the driver, right-click the zip folder and then click Extract All. Click Extract to continue. Double-click the extracted folder and then open the setup file. After opening the setup, click Next and continue the installation process. We've completed the installation. Now you can click Finish to restart your computer and check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem isn't solved, we'll move to part 2 and other solutions. I'll put part 2 in the end screen, card section and video description. This way, you won't have any problems accessing the video.